So cute.
Where are you kids going? Hey! Hello!
This picture 20 years later.
Hello! Landon, what is that face? What? Oh boy.
No.
Oh no, that's like the slowest motion cry ever. Here. Come on. Come on. Come this way.
Grandma and Sophia. Come on. We wait for the baby. Open your arms for some baby. Open up. Come on, Landon. Come here. Sophia's waiting. Come on, Landon.
Go ahead, follow Landon, Rex.
Good job, Landon. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Go ahead, help Landon. Stop with that cry. Oh my God, that is the cutest thing.
Push. You want to be pushed.